If you found this video, it's clear that you understood that you need to change your diet. Keep watching and you'll thank me later.
It might sound a bit over the top, but honestly, I'll never be the same because of the Red Tea Detox, and I'm so thankful. I've always been incredibly embarrassed when it comes to my looks. I wasn't ugly per se, but I was never able to lose the extra weight around my stubborn areas. You know, the butt, belly, and thighs. I tried loads of different diets, mostly whatever was trending that month. And for the most part, they just never got me to the shape I wanted to be at. And I couldn't figure out why. I was doing everything right, but no matter how hard I worked at it, the weight just wouldn't come off like it was supposed to. Then one of my friends was talking about the Red Tea Detox. At first I thought it was just another diet that wasn't going to work for me, another dead end. But then he started explaining that one of the biggest reasons for stubborn weight problems is actually the buildup of toxins in the body. And beyond that, the fastest and best way of losing weight is by fully removing those toxins with a mysterious voodoo tea found deep in the heart of Africa. I knew I had to find out more. Before the Red Tea Detox, I had no idea how bad the problem really was. These toxins were almost everywhere, in the food we eat, in the water we drink. Heck, they're even in our air. This was all news to me, and even more frustrating was the fact that these toxins were holding me back from losing weight the entire time. After following Liz's detox plan, the fat practically disappeared from my stubborn areas. In fact, they were finally gone after the first week. I'm now 16 pounds lighter and 20 times more confident. But more than anything else, I finally found an answer to why my hard work and sacrifice just wasn't working. So thanks, Liz. You've changed my life.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.